Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Before you judge me, make sure you are perfect. Respect is for those who deserve it, not for those who demand it. Don't believe in luck, believe in hard work. Don't lose hope. You never know what tomorrow will bring. Follow your heart, but take your brain with you. Do not follow the majority. Follow the right way. Forget the past, but remember the lesson. Every bad moment gives a pain. Every pain gives a lesson. Every lesson changes a person. Best advice. Silence is the best answer for all questions. Smiling is the best reaction in every situation. Thanks for watching.